Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. Stock reference number 4018. This shape runs from the 11th month 2010 and is the current shape. It has a 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 3 litre V6 turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the right hand headlight. Left hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 18-inch factory chrome alloy mags. The left front has a ball tyre, left power door mirror. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Factory side steps with all bolts and brackets sold as a pair. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover with a cutout for the tow bar. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom, 3.5 tonne rated. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 2 small dents. Right hand side step, sold as a pair with all bolts, brackets. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a ball tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid. It's an automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory touchscreen, DVD, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster, vehicle's only done 89,000 kilometres, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.